We'll guide you through how to use Krita on your iPad. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open the App Store on your iPad and search for Krita. Once you find it, tap on the download button to install it on your device. After the installation is complete, open the Krita app. You'll be greeted with the main interface, which might look a bit different from the desktop version, but don't worry, it has all the powerful tools you need. Start by creating a new project. Tap on the New File option, and you'll see a variety of canvas sizes and templates to choose from. Select the one that suits your project. Now, take a moment to explore the toolbar on the left side of the screen. You'll find essential tools like the brush, eraser, and selection tools. You can customize these tools by tapping on them and adjusting the settings like size, opacity, and more. If you want to change the brush, tap on the brush icon and browse the brush library for different styles. Krita on iPad supports layers just like the desktop version, which is great for organizing your artwork. Tap on the layers icon to create new layers or to manage existing ones. This feature allows you to work on different parts of your art without affecting the rest. You can also use the color wheel on the right to select and mix colors easily. If you make a mistake, just use the undo button at the top to step back or redo if you change your mind. Once you're satisfied with your artwork, tap on the export icon to save your project. You can choose the format and quality, then save it to your device or share it directly through email or social media. Krita on iPad is a robust tool for digital artists, bringing you the flexibility of drawing on the go with professional-grade features. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.